This is the current chart of BTCUSDT, and if you observe something important here, you would see that at this point right here, the market began trending downward. Now, if I scroll back, you would say the market was trending upwards until it got to this point here and began to trend down. Now, most traders would love to make use of this wave here, but they don't exactly know how to do so. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a coin pair like BTC USDT within a pump and a dump, or before a top and a bottom. So if you're new here, welcome to Dinner's Trade, where we break down forex and crypto concepts, market trends, indicators, and help you make better decisions in trading and grow consistently. So please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also go to my Telegram link down there where we post other trading insights for forex and crypto as well. So how do you catch a coin pair like a Bitcoin USDT is the top and the bottom? You could use a technical indicator, but sometimes those indicators fade. So here we'll be using a stochastic indicator. So if I search here for indicators, for stochastic indicators, cotton indicator right here, and you can use the overbought or the oversell zone to watch the market. You can also use the moving average indicator right here to know when to place a buy or a sell order. But this is not enough to catch the market. This is why I'm going to introduce you to the market index. So we navigate to Apple Client, and finally we are at the market index, and this is the crypto market index. Using simple average 10 and simple average 5, you can see the market index from January 28th to now. And you observe that at this point right here, the market trended downwards from February 5 to 7. The market was trending downwards and then finally had an upward trend, which traders would really, really love to make good use of. So to be able to catch this trend, what we do is come to the market index here whenever I want to place an order and watch how the market is trending to be able to see where you would place your order, whether buy or sell, using the two simple average 10 or simple average 5. So at this point here, the market index is having a downward trend here. And you can see that the SMA 5 is crossing over the SMA 10 here at this point. So at this point, what you look after is the crossing. If it crosses below, you want to go long, and if it crosses above, you would want to go short. But what if the market is consolidating, like in this case now, it is just going slightly like this, up and down, up and down. What would you do in a case like this? So at this point of the crossing of the SMA 10 and SMA 5, at this trend here, what we'll do is if you want to place an order here, if it crosses below, if the SMA 10 crosses below the moving average, you want to go short, and if it crosses above, you would want to go long. But what if the market begins to consolidate as we are like in the picture here, in the screen? What would you do in a case like that? So in a case like this, you would also have to trade in the direction of the pair using both of the simple averages. So if this is a point, this point right here is a point where it says buy, you would have to close your opposite direction and open a short position. With this pattern, you'll be able to catch the trend and benefit from the market. Doing so, you'll be able to catch the wave as well as the top and the bottom of the trade. You can also get your analysis by using different time frames. I recommend making use of the 1 hour time frame, but you can also come here and select a different time frame. And you also have the Z score here, which measures how the crypto market has deviated from the mean. For example, at this point here, we see a very huge deviation from the market on February 5, between February 5 to February 7th. So how do you execute a position making of the market index? You can do it by checking for a position when there is a crossover, just like this one here now. Today, we are seeing a crossover on February 14th at this section. If you check out most crypto pairs, like today, the stochastic indicator we added here show the fact that the coin pair is about to come down, as we are seeing here. The BTC USDT is about to come down here. And this consolidation is what you are seeing here in the market index as well. That crossing that we observed in the BTC USDT pair. The crossovers does not apply to only BTC. It applies to other coin pairs, not just BTC USDT. Apart from the meme coin that does not follow in this pattern, ETH USDT, as you can see, also uses the same pattern too right now. As you can see, all of them too. So you can also search a different one again and see too. This particular strategy works with all of them, and if you're using this particular pattern, it means that you're also going to be in profit as well because they are also all trending down. This is exactly how to make it of the market index to catch the top and the bottom of the market. If you find this video interesting and you have any questions or comments, please drop them down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So don't forget to send your progress, your profitability to my Telegram link so I can continue to give you more guiding tips on how to profit from your crypto. I'll make a video of how to profit from Forex, from the Forex market as well. Until then, happy trading.